So, first of all you need to create a new page. And I'm using 2000 pixels width, 2000 pixels height, 300 resolution, and color mode RGB color. You can put your Kinta values if want so. Now go to the colors. And here you can see the color code I'm using in this tutorial. After this, right-click here and select Paint Bucket tool. Just click to paint the whole page. Go and select the text tool. Here you can see the font name which I'll be using now. Touch and bold. Text size to 60 point something. And text color all the way to white color. Now just type S. Align the text to the center. For that, press Ctrl-A. Now click here, which will bring text to the center vertically. Now press Ctrl-D for deselection. Now duplicate text layer 5 times by pressing Ctrl-J. Double click here. And type H. Hold Shift key and drag it to the right. Double click here. And type A. Hold Shift key and drag it to the right. Double click here. And type D. Hold Shift key and drag it to the right. Double click here. And type O. Hold Shift key and drag it to the right. Double click here. And type W. Hold Shift key and drag it to the right. OK, so now hold Ctrl and Shift key and select the whole layers of text. Hold Shift and drag the whole letter and bring it to the center of the page. Now select the bottom text layer and click this icon to add layer mask. Now go and select Gradient tool. Here put the background color code. And hold Shift and drag it to the width of the letter. Like from here to here, this was just an example. Now select this line and add a layer mask to it. Hold Shift key and drag a line like we did before. Now do this process for all the remaining layers.
Okay, it's done now. After completing this process, select the second last text layer. Bring H closer to S using arrow keys on keyboard. Now do the same for the upper layer. Okay, now here is another method. Check this auto select option and then just click on the letter you want. It will automatically select a layer of that text. Now do this for the remaining letters. Okay, done. Now uncheck the auto select option. Hold Ctrl and Shift key and click the bottom text layer to select the whole text layers at a time. Bring it to the center by holding Shift key. Press Ctrl G to make a group of these text layers. Let's rename it letter. Make a copy of this group by pressing Ctrl J. Let's rename this one shadow. Now press Ctrl T for transformation. Right-click and select Flip Vertical. Hold Shift key and bring it down. Like the edge of the letter O, just touch to this one. And change opacity to 20%. Open this group and hold Ctrl and Shift key and select the all layers. Right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Now add a layer mask to the Smart Object layer. Go and select Gradient tool again. And drag the line from bottom to top. That's it, we just created shadow effect on text in this tutorial. I hope you guys liked the method in this video. For more Photoshop tutorials, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel because it means a lot to me. See you guys in next video. Jimmy out.